Hello, I am Marcela from Argentine. I am artist and photographer, and I am very happy to be in this exhibition. Happy rainy season. Thank you so much, Faisal, my team. I love your exhibition always, and thank you so much for inviting me again. And the rain is life. The rain is vital. The rain is beautiful. The rain is inspiration. The rain is happening. The rain is all, and the rain is life and creativity. Thank you so much. Happy, very happy season for all the world. Very happy rainy the season for all the world. Thank you.